today. Today we're going to be driving a RC boat. It's not that fast, but really fun. Let's see what we can do. So right over here, Grady is just getting the boat ready over here. Put in a new battery in. It's electric powered if you're going to ask. It's not that much to tell you about it. Grady says it does give you a rooster tail. Not really. But he thinks it does. If you do too, leave a comment in the description.
Say Allah, turtles.
If you think it has a rooster tail.
I'm not prove it has a rooster tail. That's it, folks. Please like and subscribe for some more RC videos on trucks, boats, and Navy airplanes. Bye.